Alright, so here's it apart. There's two pieces. This piece, air goes in here and out those little holes. This ring right here that my middle finger's on, that's the part that seals perfectly in the 2-inch PVC pipe. Like this. Pushes in, it's tight, but it pushes in there. Hang on. And this shaft fits into this, it's so hard to do, this spring piece, and this piece is the same diameter as this piece, so this right here slides on this, and this is the gasket. This is a perfect fit in the 2-inch PVC too. So the air comes in, it pushes this forward, loads the paintball, and then once it gets past here, the air can rush in this hole and force the paintball out.